Send volunteers to Japan to help their colleagues. Mazak Corporation is a metal cutting machine maker that's owned by a company based in Japan. ABC 7's Sarah Schulte joining us tonight with more on the company and its plans to send help. Sarah?
Kathy, Mazak's president and several of his employees spent a great deal of time in Japan. Over the years, they've cultivated very close relationships with many of the Japanese people. If needed, the company is willing to send over teams of employees to help customers in areas affected by the damage. Mazak is known as a leading manufacturer of machines that precisely cut metal. The company's products are used for aircraft, construction, mining, autos, and hip and knee replacements. While Mazak's North American headquarters is in Schaumburg, the company is a subsidiary of a family-owned company in Japan.
We have literally millions of square feet of manufacturing space in Japan. There's five manufacturing plants.
Mazak President Brian Papke says fortunately none of the Japanese-based employees were hurt, and there was only minor damage to 2 of the plants. But Papke says there are 6,000 Mazak machines throughout the devastated region.
In Japan, they've created some teams of people to go around to help those customers. I think we can perhaps send some people over from the U.S. and that they could help play a role in those teams and going to help customers.
If needed, Alan Huber and Neil DeRosers are ready to go.
If we can help in any way, we'd certainly be willing to go. I mean, I think there wouldn't be any problem just getting volunteers that would go over there for any period of time.
We have a lot of close friends over there we've worked with, and as we make trips over there, they take care of us while we're there and vice versa.
Employees here say it is vital for the American economy to get production in Japan back on track as soon as possible.
The sooner that those customers are making things that will be good for everybody in the world, and particularly for the economy of Japan.
Brian Papke says if one component part is in short supply, it can affect the entire production. Papke is concerned the power shortages in Japan will slow down production. Many manufacturer companies in America rely on Japanese suppliers and vice versa. And in the auto industry, Subaru and Toyota have also suspended some of their production in North American plants. So it's going to take some time before we really realize the economic impact here in the United States.
And the reason they've suspended their production is they don't know if